So, generally, ano yung goal mo para lang in a way, ma-abol yung mga ibang bansa as regards to the government, state-run National Academy of Sports?
Well, definitely my role in NAS is very clear. As I mentioned right from the start, dalawang bagay ito. This is to offer a quality, holistic secondary education to all our student athletes. And number one, to really hone and develop the best possible that each and every student athlete we have in NAS as an athlete. So kung ano man yung rurok ng kanilang mga kamtan, dahil rin ito sa sarili ng paghihirap. Pero nandoon ang NAS para tulungan sila na makamit ito. Mayroon pa mga ibang programa na patuloy na pinag-aaralan para ma-launch, and hopefully this will really give parity sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, na pati ang mga atletang deserving na napakagaling sa Sultan Kudarat, sa Sulu, o sa Batanes ay maging parte din ng National Academy of Sports.
Wow, maraming salamat Kiko. And finally, a viable sports development program for future elite athletes ng mga Filipino is getting in shape. So again, thank you very much Dean Francis sa ating Philippine Sports Association. We will be back next week at kami po ay nagpapaalam. For the meantime, this is your Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. God bless everyone.